not the same. The way that we do it, it's not the way. Know that you swear that you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's about 15 seconds. I'm going to be showing you this bike. It's a bike chick. Kind of I made a new bike, so I'm going to be selling it. But before I sell it, I want it like I want to show you guys the bike that I made. You know, it's like it's a mountain bike. Choosing the old spare tires that I was using before, you know, and some new grips. I got some new grips. And the Mungus, yeah, Mungus handlebar and the boom neck, because it's a boom neck thing, and the frame, yeah, I had my guy paint it up for me, yeah, you know what I'm saying, yeah, and the seat is really brand new, as you can see guys, brand new, and it's using V-brake hydraulic. Guys, I really love hydraulic brakes, so I was talking about V-brake hydraulics and stuff, but it's using the H brakes, the V-brakes, the H brakes, the V-brakes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and the handle, it's not like it's not the Shimano handle, but it's a Chinese, guys. Yeah, it's basically a Chinese handle, so I need to change the handle. And I need to put Shimano brakes, like Shimano whatever you call them. I don't know if they're calipers or I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not into V brakes and stuff. So yeah, basically the crank. I had a crank. It was it had 3 teeth, but I had my guy cut so it can look small and stuff. It can look unique. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and basically I need to buy some pedals. I only have one for each side. This other pedal is for the 29 inch, so I basically need the gear is the gear thingy, because it's a driller. There is a driller thingy, slip, you know what I'm saying? So basically the fork is new as well. Yeah, let me try it out. Let me try and wheelie if I can wheelie. We see if I can wheelie. That's basically it with this bike. The cartridge as well. The cartridge too. Basically, let me try wheelie the bike as well. Yo, the brake is not working that well, man. But anyway, let's go.
Huh? Ngwangwa la majuba yo.